What's up, YouTube? It's Deanna. Again, I'm back. Yay! So, what I want to talk to you about today is, well, some ideas on how you could store your recipes. So, I have been collecting recipes for years and have quite a collection. So, I have about 4 different ideas here. Ways that you can keep them safe and keep them together and keep them organized. So first, let's start with this, okay? So there's a little bit of a story behind this. So these are my mom's handwritten recipes, okay? My mom passed away, and it took me years to actually get my hands on these recipes. So once I did, I was like, they need to last forever because I need to have them, and then I need to pass them down to my kids and their grandkids, so forth and so on, right? So what I did was I bought these little plastic sleeves, and you can laminate them also. Some of them are laminated, and then some of them, because they were kind of odd shaped, so I bought these little plastic sleeves that adheres on the back. So this is a spice cookie recipe, and as you can see, it's safe. So when I want to bake these cookies and I have the recipe out on the counter and oh, I just spilled egg on my recipe. It's okay. You can wipe it off, okay? So that's one way. And then, of course, I keep them in a zip top bag to keep them safe, all right? So way number one, laminate. Okay, number two, and I have another little funny story behind this, but we can put them in a cookbook, okay? In a recipe book. So this book actually has like cards that you can write on. And then it also has these little sections where you could slide your recipe in the plastic. So when my mom was alive, I bought her this cookbook. Or I say cookbook, but it's a recipe book, really. And she never used it. So I took it and I use it. And it's funny thing is I have a baby book too from like, you know, when I was a baby. And my mom filled out like the first 4 pages and that was it. So I don't know too much about how I was as a baby, okay? But anyway, I took the recipe book, recipes, and I have some handwritten recipes in here, and then I have recipes slipped into the plastic as well. Okay, wait, that was way number 2, okay? Number 3 is you could create a family cookbook. And this is one that I created back in 2005. So what I did was I took recipes that were special to me, and then I reached out to my family and a couple of close friends too, and asked them for some special family recipes, and I composed everything into a book. See, that's my Aunt Mary's bignol cookie recipe. And actually, you'd probably call them pine nut cookies, but Italians, we change the names of things all the time. So we call them bignoles, but they're pine nuts. Anyway, I digress. You could create a recipe book, all right? I did this at home. I printed it. I bought one of the cutters. It's like a hole punch, but as you can see, they're like little squares. And then I bought the little plastic pieces and just binded it together. It's not very expensive, and I gave them out for Christmas, and everybody loved them. Okay, so there was number 3. Number 4, okay, accordion file. Okay, this is old, all right? Look, it's coming apart. But I just can't get rid of it, and I can't make another one. I don't wanna. Okay, so it says Deanna's recipes. Oh, wait, let me read this to you, just in case like I ever forgot one day. It says, categorized by food, not name of recipe. Example, just in case I didn't understand what I was trying to say. Oatmeal cookies are filed under C for cookie. I'm not even joking. It really says that. So anyway, here we go. All right. So, hey, let's try it out. Let's go to C and see what happens. Here, look at them all. Oh, the first one is a chewy molasses spice cookie. So I paid attention to what I wrote on my file. All right, so that's way number 4. 4, we can count. All right, so we have our accordion file. All right, set that over there. We have our family cookbook, and it doesn't have to be a family cookbook. It can just be your cookbook. All right. Then we had our recipe book, right, that we put together. And then, of course, we have our very special recipes that are laminated or wrapped in plastic. All right, so you keep them safe. That's all I got for you. So I hope you enjoyed my ideas. Real quick though, before I head out, I want to tell you about a group that I started on Facebook. I originally started the group with the name The COVID-19 Baking Project. And once COVID is said and done, it will be called The Baking Project. And you can search for it on Facebook. It's a group you can join. And in this group, what we do is we share old family baking recipes, or just our family's favorite baking recipes, or our favorite, or, just favorite baking recipes. Because right now, since we can't be together, I thought it was a really neat idea that we can be apart, but yet come together in the group and share and talk and learn new recipes, because recipes just make me happy. So anyway, thank you for being with me today. I really do appreciate it. You can find me all over social media if you want. The name of my home bakery here is The Fiery Whisk. So I'm all over, okay? The Fiery Whisk Baking is on Instagram. The Fiery Whisk is on Facebook. You can find me on Twitter, Cook Run Right. So anyway, if you're into social media, I'm also there, and clearly here on YouTube. So thank you for watching me today. And thank you for listening to my advice and my tips. And I hope that you get to use them. If you have any questions, just leave a comment. Talk to you later. Bye.